All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:30 in the morning on the 7th of June 2021, and this is my morning strategy session. Today, first up on watch, we have BIIB, and for whatever reason, it's actually pre-market crossed one of my levels, and it hasn't set off my alarm. In fact, in the level 2 trading window pre-market right now, it's down at 200. Well, the bid is at $296.54, and the ask is at $299.84. And there have been prices that have been filled pre-market, in this range. I don't know why TradingView hasn't registered those purchases, but anyway, my levels on this for bounce today are 297, 299.59, and 302.50. I will be averaging into probably somewhere around 100 shares on BIIB today. The news is, it really is going to be a buy the news, sell, buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. The FDA is set to rule on an Alzheimer drug from Biogen. So there's money to be made here. So I have my levels. I have it on watch. Next up is QTS. I have it on watch, but I'm not really interested in it. Blackstone is buying QTS for $6.7 billion. So the stock definitely caught a bid. But usually this is played out. Usually that means I could put levels on it, but it's not really something that I trade too often. If I wanted to profit on this, I would have been in this name already. So let's see. It has a dividend here. Let's see what the dividend is. 50 cents a share, $2 a year. So it's on watch. If it gets really active, I don't think that it will. I think that it'll stay pretty much level all day. In fact, actually, let's do this. I'll draw a line. I'll come back for the recap and see how accurate my prediction is here. Zzz, with some pops here and there. Some movement inside of there. I think that's the way it's going to look. Kind of. Actually, let me redo that. Let me get the brush marks here. Let me do it this way. I think that's what it's going to look like all day. We'll come back and see how accurate my prediction is. Okay, so then RMED. RMED had an earnings beat. I'm not really that excited. Oh, actually, you know what? The news on RMED is really old. Let me go back here and look in Street Smart Edge and see if there's any news. Yeah, I don't see any news on RMED. There must be news somewhere, but nothing specific to RMED really. So it's caught a bid, definitely. I mean, right now it is up 45%, has a really low float at 2.67 million. It's on watch. If it gives, I'll have a 1 minute chart up on it, and if it gives a momentum entry, then I'll take it. LMNL just recently got an FDA approval on, let's see, it's an orphan drug. So down here it says approval for its biological license application, right? But then later news, this is on the 4th, wins FDA okay of its, BLA. Oh, okay. So BLA is, let's see. No, it won it. It won not just for the application. Said Friday that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has approved ribplasm for the treatment of plasminogen deficiency type 1, a rare genetic disorder, through its unit, Prometic Biotherapeutics, holder of Riplasm's biologics license application. Okay, so it's just the application. It's not actually the drug itself. So, no big deal, really. Just kind of okay. Yeah, no big deal, really. It's just an application, so it's not like the drug itself was approved. The stock will see a bump if it starts behaving according to momentum rules. Then I'll trade it. If I were to guess, this thing at the open, let's see, where's 930? So at the open, it's going to spike up, and then it'll probably come down, then spike up a little bit, and then come down, and then spend the rest of the day just kind of drifting down. Yeah, not a heck of a lot on watch today. BIIB, I'd say, is my top pick. And if it opened right now, I'd say 297 is the most probable and best entry. All right, well, let's take a look at the broader market here. Let's see what's going on with the S&P. If the S&P, if the SPY opened up right now, it would open up 0.04%, which means the VIX is probably going to still be down below 18 there, yeah. So we got a VIX here that's back below the gap again. I'll probably be, I'll look for opportunities to buy calls on the SPY. Let's see what the ad isn't really trustworthy right now. The ad doesn't really tell you anything until after the open. So let's put that on the hourly. Yeah. I'm bullish, and to see the VIX come down here to this red line would push the SPY to new all-time highs. So I'll be looking for entries on calls on the SPY today. And otherwise, there's not really a heck of a lot going on. I think it'll probably, for the most part, it'll be a pretty quiet Monday. We're getting into the summertime. This is usually a pretty quiet time on the market. All right, everybody, that is my morning strategy session. Good luck out there. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you at the recap. I am out.